Hello everyone! Today we will show you preferences of Wondershare UniConverter 13 for Mac. General Preferences. On the General tab of the Preferences, you can set the 4 items below. Convert preferences, manage some conversion parameters as well as some assistant conversion features. Download preferences. The downloaded files can be managed under this Preferences section. The location of the downloaded, converted, and recorded files can be selected through Location Preferences. Accounts Preferences. UniConverter 13 allows you to add your Facebook, Lynda, Vimeo, and Nico accounts to Preferences section. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.